You probably would get bored watching a time-lapse film of your life.
If you account for Archimedes' force, 1 kilogram of feathers is less heavy than 1 kilogram of steel.
Internet discourse proves that most people are only polite in the flesh because they fear the consequences of being rude.
Convergent evolution favored boobs in the Star Wars galaxy.
Toilet paper manufacturers claim their products are 2, 3, or 4 times the size of a regular roll of toilet paper, but the size of the toilet paper holder has never changed.
The idea for the whiteboard may have been written on a chalkboard.
You can piss off a bear by pissing on a bear.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Unicycles are the only vehicle type where every single one is AWD.
If you eat a turducken, you then become a man turducken.
No one in the live studio audience ever sneezes.
People who don't have an internal monologue don't have to subtly worry about mind readers when thinking about weird stuff in public.
Exercise consists of swinging your upper and lower limbs so violently and consistently that your belly eventually shrinks.
You'll never fully wash all your clothes unless you get naked.
With everybody having video doorbells, children will no longer be able to play the age-old game of knocking on a front door and running away.
The valve that sends liquids into your stomach and air into your lungs works amazingly well.
Spices and pumpkin spice have nothing to do with fall season. They are from tropical regions and readily available in dry form all year round.
Everyone wants to get rich despite everyone hating the rich.
Your XTH birthday is actually the XTH anniversary of your birthday.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Making a movie is the same as playing as kids, just the adult version with money and structure and cameras.
You can simply step outside and stare at the sun for 2 minutes and blind yourself permanently.
The word stressed is quite easy and comfortable to type on a keyboard.
Someday in the near future, there will be people creating OnlyFans accounts using AI-generated models attempting to pass them off them as real people, and people will fall for it.
Curtains are an invention we can all get behind.
Every hand comes with its own unique font.
On a quantum level, you're never alone.
I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you liked the soothing background music and my calming voice, then check out my other podcast called Terra Vitae, a daily guided meditation podcast. Embark on tranquil journeys through diverse natural landscapes, exploring the serenity and healing power of the natural world. Search for Daily Guided Meditation and look for Terra Vitae, or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.